Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this device here. This is the Valchoose Valchoose 64GB digital dictionary machine. It's a recording device. It's a small one with a warm touch recording, a magnetic function, and USB-C port. It's compatible with a smartphone and personal computer. That's good for meetings, for lessons and interviews. And we start recording at the touch of a button. The mini dictation machine does not miss any spontaneous ideas. The voice activation function allows the recorder to activate when the voice and the pause during the silence. No manual operation is required for that. So you have two options here. One, of course, standard option to use a button to switch it on, or you can additionally use the AI for smart control. This mini voice recorder fits easily in any pocket or purse. Thanks to the magnetic bag, the mini voice recorder can be directly fixed to metallic surfaces in the office or in the car as a listening device, either for conference, lectures, or field research. And the small recording device has a light quality noise cancelling microphone with adjustable sensitivity for high quality recording. Whether in loud conference rooms, buzz lectures, or halls, or during important interviews, the diction machine captures every spoken word clearly and, of course, clearly nice. And of course, you can dock it to a personal computer or a tablet and open a text file to edit the time, the date, and all kind of options are in only one TXT file. That's classic style, baby. But it works. So you can edit it as you need it, and then, of course, save the file job's done. And after this, we go and don't miss any important moments. With the 64GB of the internal memory, this digital dictionary machine can record up to 1,500 hours of audio. The memory allows us to record conversations and meetings with the audio recorders without worry. No constant file detection, and every moment is stored in it. The recording device has a USB-C interface for fast charging and bidirectional data transmission. In addition, the audio recorder can also function as an audio player. After importing the voice notes or the audio books, they can be easily enjoyed via the headphones. Okay, it does not have a speaker. It only contains to have a microphone built in. But you can connect the headphones to it and use these headphones to hear what is saved on it. We have a magnetic dictionary here. Every moment of our life can be recorded. Yeah, really, trustworthy, certified by several professional accreditations and compact, large, generous capacity. No more worries about the sudden power outage. This 2,600 mAh battery allows a continuous recording of over 500 hours. Recording at the touch of a button is there. Easy to use, quick to learn. So we have one touch switch, no complicated operation steps required. We have fast activation. This is the key or the lever on the top side of the device, okay? And then we have speech activated recording because AI recognizes the ambient noise and it starts and then stops recording intelligently if we are going to use this additionally. Really cool device.
Let's have a check of the voice, of the sound check of our recorder. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!